I came with the rain January 2000 and I leave with the wind in 2005 for Europe, Austria. For 10 days in the Wahiba sand, I made dreams of water, for me representing the essence of Oman, the essence of life and endlessness with continuous change. Triangle, showing only the frightened eyes of a person, weird emotions burning in the head. Speechless memorial represents a woman speechless, working with her whole body on an opulent hand-woven cloth. Borderline brings in mind the living situation of people living excluded from the society. New installation artist, and I'm bringing out my inspiration through my films, which I achieved during my staying in Oman. The sea, his peaceful endlessness and dramatic behavior is very often an important metaphor in my videos. So often I travel to wadis, their dry aspect and abstract aspect inspired. The video Tears Are Your Friends, a work together with Omani poet Sama Issa and a German composer, these are my cross-cultural dreams.
Tears.